what controls all the lights. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so I want to show you something new. So this is out of the box. When you run, the running quality is already very good. So that's speed step 1. Okay, give it some more juice. I've left the sound off just for now. Okay. So I'll just go back to the start because I need a lot of run for this. Okay, so that's right out of the box. There's a bit of momentum on there. As you can see, I just smashed the buffer. Okay. So if you go to, are you recording this?
Mm-hmm.
Extra charge for that.
So this is one of the neat things about log sound is they have back EMF, and the back EMF you can program it to sort of read the motor, and every motor is a little bit different, and that way it makes the running quality perfect for that particular motor. So if we go into program mode, program on the main, you have to do it on the main. Here's the logo. Okay, we're doing CV54, and we're going to set it to 0. Enter. Okay. Now we're going to turn the bell on. Okay. That means that the back EMF has now been programmed. And now, when we go on to speed step 1, you see how slowly it creeps. All right, so that's the key thing. Now, if you're getting a F9B from us or an FPA4, and you want to MU with our Tsunami-equipped FP9s, you don't want to do that because it's going to move a lot slower than your Tsunami locomotive, right? So generally, you'd want to just keep the factory settings if you have you're MUing with Tsunami, but you're rarely going to MU a GMD-1 with an FP9A, so don't think you have to worry about that. All right, so let's fire up the sounds. Okay, and there's nice air leakage there, which sort of tapers out. This is all recorded from the real GMD-1. All right, so the usual things, we have a nice bell. I love that bell. But listen to this horn. Remember, there's one speaker in there. Okay, this is a speaker from an MP3 player, so that you can play Lady Gaga on your GMD-1.
Can it be anything else other than Lady Gaga?
It's got to be Lady Gaga. Isn't that beautiful?
That sounds like her.
That's gorgeous. That sounds Lady Gaga. All right, there's a couple of neat features. I just got to remember what function buttons it's on because I don't remember. I haven't got the manual in front of me, even though I made up the darn things. So right now we have the headlight on. Okay, the number boards, it's hard to see because of the sun, but the number boards do light up. I think they're 9 or 10. There you go, they're 10. Okay, there's the number, the class lights, sorry. 9 is the number boards. They are lighting up, I believe. I just can't see them. Because of the sun. But, oh no, I've gone to signal address. Should I just unplug and plug it back in?
No.
Okay. So let's put F10 on.
Now you're doing it again.
I'm hitting setup instead of 9. Sorry. Fine. It's fine. No, what have you done? There we go. 9. There, the number boards are on.
Jason learns how to use an NC system.
I have an NC system.
Uses it off.
I'm building bench work right now. What do you want from me? Okay, so we got our lighting effects. A neat feature we have is switching mode. Okay, if you hit F12, now you have your front and back headlights on dim. Right? So all you do is hit F12 to do that, and then hit F12. And it goes back to the way it was before you had F12 on. All right. So let's get moving here. It sounds gorgeous. Recorded from the prototype. That's our Doppler horn for the GMD-1. It's going much slower than the one on our FP9. Now we have a straight to 8 feature, okay? Because if you're pulling a bunch of freight cars It's a heavy load. You're going to gun it into 8, and you're going to accelerate to try and get this heavy load, because remember, one GMD-1 can't pull much more than about 4 cars, right? So first of all, you always run it in pairs. Second of all, some load of grain cars getting out of a little grade out of a siding, you often would have to put it into 8 to do it, right? Because you just couldn't, the wheels would start slipping. So we pulled 12 grain cars, actually they're plastic cars, 12 hoppers, and we went straight to 8, and the wheels slipped, and we recorded it. Okay, so listen to this. See that up and down? That's the wheel slip. Amazing. Now you're up in 8. And now I just lowered our speed, so I went right, instead of going down through the notches, it goes right down. If you turn F3 off, now when you go, it's going to be normal. Go through them slowly. All right? That's gorgeous. Love it. Love it. So that's the GMD-1 in the nutshell. The 1900s and 1000s are on the water now. Unfortunately, they're arriving while the guys are traveling to the East Coast and then doing a whole bunch of other presentations. It's going to sit in our warehouse for about a week before we actually process the shipment and ship it out. Or even 2 weeks. So we'll ship them out mid-June. All right. Even though they'll be here probably end of next week. A week after that. Anyway. That's GMD-1, and let's go to the other section. I needed the space so I can show you that back EMF thing. But we can...